In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable MFA or multi-factor authentication on Google Workspace. MFA is an important security feature that adds an additional layer of protection to your account beyond just a password. Let's walk through the process step by step, making sure you're fully secure and can navigate your Google Workspace with ease. To kick things off, you'll want to log into your Google Admin console. Once you're in, look at the dashboard and locate the security section. It's typically toward the middle of your screen. Clicking on Security will give you several options, but for our purposes, focus your attention on Authentication, followed by selecting Two-Step Verification. This is essentially the same as saying you're turning on multi-factor authentication, as it requires more than just your password to access your account. The next part involves turning this feature on. Look for the section labeled Enforcement and switch it to On. By enabling this, you're ensuring that every user in your domain will be required to use MFA. It's a crucial step not only to protect sensitive data, but also to comply with any organizational policies that demand high security measures. Once you flip the switch, you're almost there. You're going to want to save these changes, so make sure to hit that Save button. After you do this, a pop-up will appear. This pop-up is your prompt to officially activate two-step verification. Go ahead and click on it to confirm that you indeed want to go through with this setup. This additional step is important because it finalizes your settings and doesn't leave any loose ends. As you follow these instructions, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself also with the backup methods for authentication. This could mean setting up an authenticator app, enabling text message verification, or using a physical security key. These options play a crucial role in ensuring you've got multiple pathways to verify your identity, especially if one method becomes unavailable. Finally, once everything is set up, take a moment to inform your team or the users within your workspace about this new security measure. It's helpful to guide them on what to expect the next time they log in. The two-step process not only enhances security but also gives peace of mind knowing that your Google Workspace is protected against unauthorized access. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully enabled multi-factor authentication on your Google Workspace. Implementing this adds a vital safeguard, protecting against potential threats and ensuring that your digital workspace remains secure. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to reach out with any questions or comments below. Stay safe and secure.